Now, while we're learning new notation, we also have new notation for composite functions, which we looked at earlier in the year. So we're already familiar with this f of g of x and g of f of x, but it can be written this way, with a little circle between the f and the g, and it can also be written with brackets around the f circle g, which I think looks a little more confusing. Now again, which one should you use? Well, you're completely fine to keep on using this one. So if that's where your comfort zone is, you can stay there, but you need to understand that you might see a question that includes this notation, and you need to be able to recognise it and know what to do with it. So remember, you need to apply the function that's listed second to the first one. So here's an example. If f of x is x plus 3 and g of x is x squared, well, we need to find f of g of x. Now that means take g of x and throw it into the first function, f of x. So if I take g of x, which is x squared, then it means that I need to use that rather than x in the first function. Everywhere they've used an x, I'm going to use x squared. So what I'll get is, throwing the x squared in where the x goes over there, I'll get x squared plus 3. Whereas g of f of x, and you can still call it that even though the notation looks different, means that I need to take f of x, which is x plus 3, and anywhere they've used an x in the first function, I need to use x plus 3 instead. So instead of squaring x, I'm going to square x plus 3. And I get this. So we've seen this before, it's just a little bit of revision with new notation.